Is it true? Are you ready? Able to keep your head up and steady? Time will tell whether or not you've broken the spell. Love's all about taking risk and choices. Just keep your head up, ignore those voices. Taking a piece of your someone's heart, never thinking it may fall apart. You start to talk in your sleep, you really have fallen deep. How can it be that you're ready for love? I see you're holding up and steady. You took the love not knowing if it's what you're afraid of. You're constantly blinded, but you just cause your heart is so divided. So is it true? Are you ready? Can you keep up steady? A new way to ask you to be mine. I think about your beauty all the time. You pop up my head every night and day. So now I have the courage to say, baby, I love you so. I never wanna let you go. You amaze me day by day. I wanna take you sit by the bay. We'll sit and listen to the rushing water. The birds sing their song. I'll keep you safe with me from dusk till dawn. We'll lay under a tree, peering up into the sky. Watch as the sun says goodbye. I hold you close as we watch the constellation, because you truly are my motivation. I love you so very much. I wanna feel your every touch. So I ask you this, will you be mine? My Valentine. Baby, I love you so. I never wanna let you go. So I ask you this, will you be mine? Ha, my Valentine.